June 25, 2023, and a very warm welcome to the launch of the all-new Get Funded trading system. We live in worrying times, and there's more reason than ever to have concerns over money. What I am about to show you, over the next few minutes, is going to give you hope that within the next 72 hours your money worries could well be about to come to an abrupt end. Sit tight and watch closely, this will amaze you. And remember to subscribe to my channel and like the video, it would be really kind of you. Thanks. The first release of the Get Funded trading system, which relies 100% on artificial intelligence, swept the trading world by storm, with accolades from clients all over the world, including over 300 testimonials. But today we announce the launch of the new version, the AI-enhanced version, which is seeing profits up by over 50%. This video is not intended to teach you a system, as it is just a few minutes long. It is here to serve only one purpose, and that is to show you the full trading session on Friday, June 23, 2023, when the brand new system banked $4,870. To prove this to you, on the screen I am showing you every trade the system took, one by one, and I am also highlighting the losing trades. Throughout this whole session I was as calm as a Buddhist monk, because all of the decisions were being made by artificial intelligence. In fact, I could have easily been a Buddhist monk, but I don't think their philosophy would approve of the ridiculous amounts of money the system makes me every day of the week. Look at every arrow which shows you the exact entry point that the AI system entered the trade, and then look to the profit or loss in the bottom corner. I'm not a psychologist, but I am leaving the image of the AI bots in the background for a reason, to instill in you that without artificial intelligence in your trading, you would be better giving your money to a good charity, because without AI, you're a losing trader, and that is something which hurts me, because in my first year of trading, which was 1997, I lost $200,000. So I know how you're feeling right now. So, what changed me from a losing trader into one of the top traders in the world? Well, I can tell you now that religion was not the answer. The paradigm shift came with the advent of the clever non-human intelligence you see in the background, which drives the new version of the Get Funded trading system. Now, let's pull out of the screenshots of the trades, and show you the full trading day in MT4, not just over $4,500 for the day. But look at what the new version of the system generated for the week, a staggering $10,970. And here's proof that all trades were closed. No magic Photoshop here, just time to change your life. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. You can see we have everything you need to get you into the top 2% of traders worldwide. Head across to Telegram right away, and speak with Chris Douglas UK. Without delay, you'll be amazed at our low pricing.